Got my gloves ready. My eyes. Hey guys, hope you are well. Let's make something really simple today. This is what I call my sambal wings. So sambal wings is just practically chicken wings with our sambal sauce. Our sambal sauce that I'm using over here is our signature chili paste. So before we start, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So over here guys, I have 1 kilogram of chicken wings. I'm gonna add all of my wings into a big mixing bowl. And to that, I am adding some salt. Next, let's add in our Mak Tok signature chili paste. I'll be adding half a jar of it. Mix it. So there's two options that you can go with here. One is to marinate it for overnight to have that even more intense flavor when you bite into it. Or if you're in a rush like I am today, just pop it in the oven. That's it. Just gonna bring all my wings onto there. And that's it guys. All you need to do now is wash your hands and pop those into the oven. Now we're gonna bake it for 45 to 50 minutes, but halfway through I'm gonna take them out, flip them over, and then continue baking them. Right guys, 20 minutes in, let's bring our chicken wings out and flip them over. There we are. So I'm gonna put the chicken wings on top of the wire rack, and then the wire rack is gonna be on top of the baking tray, and then we're gonna pop it back into the oven. Wings on top of this rack. Now I would suggest you not to pour away the sauces below the rack. It's only because those are gonna create a steam that's gonna moisturize your wings. Let's pop them back into the oven. We're gonna just bake it for another 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, time to tuck in. Wow. Dip it in. Yeah. It's sweet, savory, and the chicken itself is so smooth. Oh, this is so good guys. I can have this all day. So if you've got a busy week and you're still craving for that comfort food, why not make this amazing signature sambal chicken wings at home and share it with your family. If you got any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!